Welcome to STEM at Elementary, the perfect way to integrate STEM and computer science into your core content areas. STEM is created for grades kindergarten through 5th grade. We also have STEM at middle school and STEM at high school. Let's take a look. So within the course, we have a start here that's going to provide helpful information for you as far as topic guides, materials, and background resources that you need. And then we have particular lessons for grades K to 2 and grades 3 to 5. We also have some sample robotics lessons in case you were wanting to get further into robotics. Let's take a look under Start Here. Underneath Start Here, you can see that there are many things that you can use here, including a topic guide, the materials catalog, the computer science standard alignment, how to create a Scratch account to be used with the coding lessons, how to create a Tinkercad account to be used with the 3D print lessons. Our topic guide is going to show you how these lessons integrate into your core content areas, including English language arts, science, math, social studies, and AF&R. Here's an example of some of the lessons. So as you can see, there is a STEM lesson that's going to integrate the engineering design cycle, a coding lesson, and 3D print lessons. And this is true for all subject areas, again, in grades K to 5. Our materials catalog shows you that the materials utilized are things that you can easily have in the classroom, or if you're teaching this via distance learning, materials that students are most likely to have at home. Let's delve into a lesson. I'm going to click on grades K to 2. And you can see that there are English language arts, math, science, social studies, and AF&R lessons. Within each one of these, whether it's K to 2 or 3 to 5, you will see your specific objective. And again, this is meant to be used as a resource to help you to integrate STEM and computer science into your core content. I'm going to go ahead and click on Gravity. There is a teacher's manual that's going to help me walk through step by step what I need to do within this. It's going to let me know how to use the platform, which is called Educate. It's going to show me my standard alignment, and then it's going to take me through the content lesson, the STEM project using the engineering design cycle, the coding lesson, and the 3D print lesson. Notice that there are extension and accommodations as well in the teacher's guide. Let's take a look at a STEM challenge. We're always going to begin with an essential question. So in this case, why do objects fall to the ground? And then this image is going to appear. You have the option to make this full screen. So if you're doing this via distance learning and you're showing this on either recording or live, everything's easy for the student to see, and the students can access these at home from their own computer or whatever device they have, as this works on any device. So this is where the content is for gravities. If I want to teach students more about gravity in an interactive, engaging way, these are additional activities to help me apply those skills. Here's a little test to see if my students have learned that, and then let's go directly to the STEM challenge. So in this case, it's plunging parachutes. You as a teacher are going to have everything right at your fingertips that you need to be able to go through and give the challenge. And then you will walk your students through the engineering design cycle. Students have an engineering design journal that is digital. So again, if you're doing this via distance learning, you will be able to do this remotely. Let's take a look at the coding. The same thing applies. Students can do this at home, or they can do this with you in the classroom. You are going to be able to present to the students the objectives that they're going to learn in coding. The students are going to be creating a game that is going to help them to understand the objective, which in this case is gravity. And then it's going to walk the students step by step on how to set up a Scratch account, and then step by step on exactly what to do. On each slide, notice there's also a video.
In this step, we're going to be adding an
So even if you know nothing about coding, our coding projects are designed to help you just simply with the click of a mouse be able to educate your students on the different aspects of coding using Scratch. And finally, you are going to have 3D print projects. The 3D print project is going to go along with the objective. Many teachers have told us that they have 3D printers but do not know how to come up with lessons that can be integrated into their core content. So the students are going to learn again step by step how to use Tinkercad. And then the curriculum is going to walk the students step by step again. So you as a teacher, if you don't have any background in 3D printing, that's okay. Our content and curriculum is going to walk them through. Thank you for listening to this, and please contact your STEMFuse salesperson if you have any questions.